Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable location service in Textme. So let's get started. First, launch open settings on your mobile device. Now scroll down until you find apps option. Tap on it. Select manage apps option. In the search bar, type in Textme and perform your search. Tap on Textme application. Now this page is going to show up. Tap on app permissions option. Then this page is going to show up. To disable location service in Textme, tap on location which is under allowed option. And then check on don't allow. And this is how you can disable location service in Textme. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.